Welcome to BPO and Beyond, financial freedom for BPO employees in the Philippines. BPO and Beyond podcast helps us empower Filipino BPO professionals to achieve financial freedom through career advancement, smart investing, and entrepreneurship. We deliver actionable strategies tailored to your unique challenges and opportunities. Stop dreaming about financial independence. Start building it. Your promotion, your future, your freedom. Episode 16, Navigating Cross Currents, a BPO professional's guide to conflicting leaders. Welcome back to Career Compass, the podcast that helps BPO professionals in the Philippines navigate their journey toward career advancement and financial freedom. Today, we are tackling one of the most stressful and confusing situations you can face at work: what to do when your leaders don't agree. You've been there. Your team lead gives you one instruction, but your quality analyst gives you another. Your operations manager sets a priority, but the client-facing manager wants you to focus on something else entirely. You're caught in the middle, trying to please everyone, but feeling like you're set up to fail. This isn't just frustrating, it's a major source of stress that can impact your performance and your well-being. In the Filipino workplace, our value of pakisama, that deep desire to maintain smooth relationships and avoid conflict, can make this situation even harder. You don't want to disrespect either leader or make anyone look bad. But what if we told you that navigating this challenge successfully is actually a high-level skill? Today, we're going to give you a clear, step-by-step playbook to turn this stressful situation into an opportunity to demonstrate your professionalism, problem-solving skills, and leadership potential. Strategy 1. Stay calm and gather intelligence. Your first instinct might be to panic or complain. Resist it. Your first move is to become an objective fact finder. The goal is to understand the conflict without getting emotionally involved. Implementation steps. Document both instructions. Write down exactly what each leader asked you to do. Be specific about the task, the deadline, and the expected outcome. Identify the core conflict. Is it a disagreement about priority, what to do first, process, how to do it, or outcome, what the final result should be? Pinpointing the exact nature of the conflict is crucial. Depersonalize the situation. Remind yourself that this is likely not about you. Your leaders probably have different KPIs, different pressures from their own bosses, or a simple miscommunication between them. This isn't a personal loyalty test. Strategy 2. Seek clarification individually. Before you bring everyone together, approach each leader separately. This is a crucial step to show respect and gather more information without putting anyone on the defensive. Implementation steps. Schedule a quick, private chat. Ask for a few minutes of their time. Use neutral, goal-oriented language. Approach them with a collaborative mindset. To Leader A. Hi, leader's name. I just want to make sure I'm on the right track. My understanding is that my top priority is to achieve goal A. Is that correct? To Leader B. Hi, leader's name. I'm working on my plan for the week and wanted to confirm that you need me to focus on to achieve. Listen and take notes. Don't argue or mention the other leader's instructions yet. Just listen to their reasoning and understand their perspective. The goal is to confirm each leader's individual directive. Strategy 3. Propose a joint alignment meeting. Once you have confirmed the conflicting instructions, it's time to bring the issue to light professionally. Your role is not to be a referee, but a facilitator of clarity. Implementation steps. Frame it as a need for alignment. Approach one or both leaders or send a group email and say something like, "Thank you both for your guidance. I have received instructions to prioritize both and." To ensure I can deliver the best results and meet both of our team's objectives, could the three of us have a quick 10-minute meeting to align on the priorities for this week? Focus on the shared goal. Emphasize that your intention is to support the overall success of the project or team. This shows you are proactive and solution-focused, not just pointing out a problem. Keep it brief and focused. By suggesting a short meeting, you show respect for their time and signal that this is about finding a quick, practical solution. Strategy 4. Facilitate the conversation, don't mediate. In the meeting, your job is to present the facts objectively and then step back to let them decide. Implementation steps. State the problem, not the people. Start by saying, to achieve, I've been tasked with focusing on and also on. I want to make sure my efforts are directed in the most effective way. Could you please provide some guidance on how to proceed? Present the impact. Briefly explain the practical challenge. For example, completing task A by the deadline will mean I have less time for task B, which could impact our quality score. Ask for a decision. The key phrase is, I need your direction on how you would like me to prioritize these. This places the responsibility for the decision back on them, which is where it belongs. Strategy 5. Document the outcome. Once a decision has been made, your final step is to ensure that clarity is maintained. Implementation steps. Send a follow-up email. Shortly after the meeting, send a brief email to both leaders summarizing the decision. Keep it simple and neutral. Something like, "Hi, Leader A, and thank you for the clarification. Just to confirm, my priority for this week will be, and I will address afterward. Please let me know if I've misunderstood anything." Create a record. This email serves as your protection and a reference point for everyone, preventing future misunderstandings. Strategy 6. Know when and how to escalate. What if your leaders cannot or will not agree, even in a meeting? This is rare, but you need a plan. Implementation steps. Assess the risk. If the conflicting instructions put a major project, client relationship, or compliance issue at risk, escalation may be necessary. Go to their direct manager. If both leaders report to the same person, e.g. an operations manager, that is your next stop. Frame it as seeking guidance. Approach the senior manager with the same collaborative mindset. I'm seeking your guidance on a matter of conflicting priorities between Leader A and B. We've tried to align, but I need a final decision to ensure we meet the department's goals. Present your documentation and the business impact of the stalemate. Conclusion. Being caught between two disagreeing leaders is a test of your professional maturity. By staying calm, gathering facts, facilitating communication, and documenting outcomes, you are not just solving a problem, you are demonstrating the skills of a future leader. You are showing that you can navigate complexity with grace and a focus on collective success. Disclaimer. The content in this episode is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice. Please be aware that the strategies we suggest might not be effective in every situation. The dynamics of every workplace are unique, and a complete recommendation would require a more detailed understanding of your specific circumstances. That's all for today's episode of Career Compass. Join us next week as we explore another vital topic for your career journey. Until then, navigate wisely and lead with clarity.